I've worked in this building for 17 years now.
Prior to this becoming a new production facility for Custom Truck, it was a small machine shop, fabrication shop, private owned. And it mainly did all the machining for the industrial park area around here.
Custom Truck purchased this building in October, November of 2023.
We wanted to open a location in Arizona so that we had a production facility on the West Coast to alleviate freight costs and make it more efficient, providing for our West Coast customers.
We actually kept on everybody that was from the original company except for the owner who sold and retired. So we originally had 4 people that stayed on, and then we had, I believe, 11 people transfer from Kansas City.
When we came out here, we already had that base knowledge of how production's supposed to run. So when we came out and we integrated with the team, it was a little bit more fluid because we were able to collaborate and guide and get together. And the people that we kept on from the old company were really invested in creating a career with us and becoming a part of Custom Truck.
The integration for them was great. I mean, they fit right in with us. You know, they wanted to learn, they wanted to do new stuff. They were very excited about it.
So it was nice having their resources and their local knowledge paired with the existing knowledge of already working for Custom Truck with the techs that came in.
Cuando llegamos de Kansas City aquí, el proceso fue fácil. No tuvimos ningún problema con la gente para enseñarles a trabajar.
A lot of the people that moved out here from Kansas City actually were bilingual, Spanish speaking, which most of our guys were as well. So they all got along really, really well.
A lot of us started learning Spanish before we came out here. You know, we teach each other our languages and our cultures, so that really has helped us all bond with each other.
What makes Casa Grande special, honestly, the weather. We don't have to deal with snowstorms, hurricanes, or tornadoes. We are able to produce 24/7.
Casa Grande is right in between Phoenix and Tucson, so it's about an hour split between both of them.
It's like a direct shipping line between California, Texas, Mexico, and everywhere else for the rest of the country. And a lot of our suppliers are based out of Mexico, so a lot of the materials were coming right through here anyway.
We have a wide variety of what has come through the shop based on the needs here on the West Coast.
I think in our 2 years, we've done 10 different production builds with regards to different models.
But our bread and butter is the water trucks, and then now the forestry bucket trucks, the 5660s for the West Coast. There seems to be an increased need for those over here.
Out here in Arizona, the demand for water trucks is pretty high because we're a desert. We don't get a lot of rain, so anything that's driven on dirt kicks up a lot of dirt.
We have to have dust permits. I mean, if you want to move any dirt anywhere out here, you have to have a water truck working on it because they don't want the dust kicked up. And then California, they use a lot of our water trucks for fighting fires up in the mountains. A lot of the 6x6s that we sell that have cannons mounted to them and everything else, they all end up in California for that.
In the near future, we're gonna have a new production facility built right across the street from us here. And to my understanding, this is supposed to serve as a West Coast hub for builds to provide to the West Coast.
It's exciting for me because it's more room for me and all these guys to grow and also take on more projects. It's why I came out here, is to see that facility go up.
You know, this is only about 10 to 15,000 square feet. That's going to be probably 7 or 8 times that. We'll be putting out closer to 100 to 150 trucks a month rather than the 40 to 50 that we do out of here. Right now, we fluctuate between 15 to 25 people. When we get to that facility, we'll be upwards of 100 people at that point.
Lo que se me hace especial es que tenemos una oportunidad de crecimiento, tener la oportunidad de ver crecer la compañía en otro estado y ser parte de ello. Es algo que estamos esperando todos porque vamos a estar mucho mejor.
We've really loved the opportunity that Custom Truck has given us to be able to become part of the Custom Truck family and grow with the Custom Truck family.